Hugo from Keyshare, and today, before we start our flight, I'm going to introduce the operations procedures to you. Firstly, after opening your package box, you'll find your Glint Pro, remote controller, video transmitter, as well as rechargeable battery, and 2 accessory bags. This is your user manual and quick start guide. We highly recommend that you read it in detail before you start your flight. We also recommend that you fly in an unobstructed area that is away from crowds and away from electromagnetic interference. Please make sure that the flight height is below 120 meters. The calibration of the remote control. Now, what I want you to do is take your rechargeable battery and insert it into your Glint aircraft. Make sure that it is securely fastened. Take your remote control, switch it on, take the left rocker, which is your accelerator, and push it to its highest position. Once you've done this, go to the aircraft, switch it on. Now, you're going to see rapid flashing blue lights. Once you see these blue lights flashing rapidly, I want you to take the left rocker and move it all the way down to its lowest position. Once you've done this, the calibration of the remote control is complete. Next stage, stage 2, the calibration of the compass. Now, before this, I need you to check your aircraft and make sure that everything is okay, as well as make sure that it's on a horizontal surface. Now, to start this calibration, I want you to take your remote, see the K2 switch here. I need you to flick it rapidly, right? Once you flicked it rapidly, you're going to see rapid flashing green lights. Now, take your aircraft and rotate it slowly, clockwise. Once you've rotated it, the green lights will flash at a normal rate. Second stage, take your aircraft, nose down, and repeat the process. Rotate. Once you've done this 3 times, you'll see that 3 LED lights are flashing normally. Now, if the distance between your last location and your current location is less than 200 kilometers, there is no need to do the calibration of the compass. Okay? The next step is the installation of the propellers. Now, the Glint aircraft comes with two kinds of propellers. You've got your positive and you've got your negative propeller. Now, your positive propeller is marked with MRP and your negative is marked with MR. Now, the positive propeller, which goes onto the black marked bolt, you install it by unscrewing the bolt, adding the propeller. Always make sure that the markings is facing upwards. Add it on and fasten the propeller to the aircraft. Once this is complete, take your negative, which is marked MR, and repeat the process. Once again, make sure that your marking is facing upwards. Fasten the bolt to the propeller, make sure it's securely fastened. Take the second set and repeat with the front of the aircraft. The following procedure is unlocking of the remote control. Now, to unlock the remote control, all you do is you take the K2 switch and you flick it to 2. Take the K1 switch and flick it to 0, which is the bottom position. Right? Now, the remote control is in GPS mode. Now, if you are not familiar with the procedures of a flight, it's highly recommended that you fly your first few flights in GPS mode. Now, to unlock the flight, let me tell you how we unlock the flight is. You simply take both rockers, you simply take them to the left or to the right to unlock your flight. Now, your flight is unlocked. Let me explain to you what each rocker does. First, you've got your left rocker. The left rocker controls the acceleration, the rise and fall of your aircraft, as well as if you push it left or right, it will rotate the aircraft. The right rocker controls the orientation, so it will control the direction of your flight. Push it either to the left or to the right and your aircraft will fly. Make sure that the nose of the aircraft is always flying away from you during flight. When landing your aircraft, make sure that you push down on the accelerator gently and slowly so that the aircraft lands at a decent speed. Now, from myself and our team here at Keyshare, we wish you a pleasant flying experience. Thank you so much.